going to make some lunch now. We're going to have pasta pesto, which is really nice. So what we have inside here is a little bit of basil pesto with cashew nut. And we got some olive oil, and we got a little bit of garlic. So this is now cooking in the bush.
Yeah, you have so many herbs with you.
Yeah, I got lots of herbs. Unfortunately, we haven't found any wild basil today. Otherwise, we would have used that in our...
We had it yesterday.
We had it yesterday in our baked potato with melted butter. That was absolutely exquisite. This is green onion seasoning. Here's mixed herbs.
Yes, we made the baked potatoes on the fire there.
Yeah.
Show you around. So here is our tent. And the first day when we arrived, we had a welcome committee with a herd, a big herd, or if it was 3 herds of elephants.
And they all zoomed in on exactly where we were sitting. And we had them literally 10 meters away from us.
Yes.
It was absolutely incredible.
It was incredible.
Almonds and some spring onion into our pasta. There we go. And now we need some salt. We need quite a lot of salt actually. Oh, this looks so yummy. Have a look here.
This is wildlife cooking. Wow.
This is wildlife cooking, for real.
No dried cooking, or what do you call it when it's like...
No freeze-dried stuff.
Freeze-dried stuff. No, this is...
I think one of the main things when you're in the bush is to eat well. You need to eat well, and you need to enjoy your food, and you need to enjoy the moments when you're eating good food. It really enhances the experience of being in the bush tremendously. So we always cook really nice food in the bush.
And then we are going to drive away a bit further down the river and have our dinner later today.
We're thinking of taking our chairs, and we'll bring some cold white wine and our beautiful pasta pesto, and we're going to sit by the river and just enjoy the elephants and the hippos and the atmosphere and the birds chirping. Yeah. And have a beautiful dinner.